Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George and Pedubafo. Today we're going to tell you something about angles in geometry. And please, people, take time to watch this video to the end. And I'll show you that when you watch it to the end, you'll be able to solve questions like this. You'll be able to solve questions like this. Now, this is a question. Find the values of L, K, and N in the figure below. Find the values of L, K, and N in the figure below. This is the figure. Now, what you have to note in this question, this figure, is that line Q and line QR, line QR and line SU are parallel lines. This thing means they are parallel lines. These things means they are parallel lines. And since they are parallel lines, it means you can apply some properties on them. Since they are parallel lines, you can apply some properties on them. Properties like corresponding angles, alternate angles, and um, and opposite angles. You can apply these properties on them. But if they are not parallel, you cannot apply these properties on them. If they are not parallel, you can't apply them. But if they are parallel, you can apply these properties. Now the first letter that you have to find, L. Now let's look at where L is. Here is L. Now question says find L. Now let's look at here let's look at things very well here. Look at L and 145 degrees. Look at L and 145 degrees. They are on a line. They are on a straight line. L and 145 degrees are on a straight line. And since they are on a straight line, it means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Any line, any straight line, top is 180 degrees, down is 180 degrees. When you sum the top and the down, it becomes 360 degrees. When you sum the top angle and the down angle, summing them will result in 360 degrees. So here, top of this angle, top of this line, the total angle is 180 degrees. You start from here, 1 degree, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 10 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 130 degrees, 140 degrees, up to 180 degrees. I hope you are getting me. You start here, 1 degree, 10 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 90 degrees, 110 degrees, up to 180 degrees. I hope you get me. So it means this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. That's why we got this. So L plus 145 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now I want to find L. So you have to make L stand alone at one side of the equal sign. So you have to move the 145 degrees to the other side of the equal sign. And whenever you move a number or a term across the equal sign, its sign changes. Whenever you move a number or a term across equal sign, its sign changes. So when its sign is positive, it changes to negative, and when its sign is negative, it changes to positive. So therefore, move this one to the other side of the equal sign. When you move it, it becomes negative. So L is equal to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. L is equal to 35 degrees. Now I finished with one part of the question. Let's move on to the other part. K. The question says find K. K and 145 degrees. This 145 K and 145 degrees are co-interior angles. K and 145 degrees are co-interior angles, which means they sum up to 180 degrees. Which means when we add K and 145 this 145 degrees, they will sum up to 180 degrees. They will sum up to 180 degrees. Therefore, that's why we got this K plus 145 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. K plus 145 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. K is equal to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. You want to find K. You make K stand alone at the left hand side of the equal sign, and we move the 145 degrees to the other side. It's positive here. When it goes to the equal sign, it becomes negative. So K is equal to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. K is equal to 35 degrees. Or L and K are alternate angles. L is equal to K is equal to 35 degrees. L and K are alternate angles. L and K are alternate angles. These are alternate angles. And this angle too are alternate angles. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. Notice very well. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. They are the same. It means their values are the same. These angles and this angle and this angle and this angle are alternate angles. It means their values are the same. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. It means their values are the same. Notice very well. So it means L and K are alternate angles. L is equal to K is equal to 35 degrees. Now the last part, N. Now to find N, K plus N is equal to 180 degrees. K plus N. K plus N is equal to 180 degrees because they are on a straight line. This is the straight line. This is the straight line. They are on a straight line. K plus N is equal to 180 degrees. Now K is 35 degrees. So therefore you put it into the equation. It becomes 35 degrees plus N is equal to 180 degrees. Now I want to find N. So we have to make N stand alone at one side of the equal sign. At this point, we let N stand alone at the left hand side of the equal sign. You have to move this 35 degrees to the other side of the equal sign. And whenever a number or a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So when it is positive, it changes to negative. When it is negative, it changes to positive. So N is equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees. So N is equal to 145 degrees. So N is equal to 145 degrees. Or 145 degrees and N are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. It means their values are the same. Their values are the same. These are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. This angle and this angle too are corresponding. This K and this angle too are corresponding. This angle and N are corresponding. They are corresponding angles. K and this angle are corresponding. L and this angle are corresponding. L and this angle are corresponding. Their values are the same. L and this angle are corresponding. Just look at the shape of the angles. You can see that they are the same. Just look at the shape of the angles. You can see that they are the same. L and this angle are corresponding. And this angle too are corresponding. This angle and this angle too are corresponding. So that's it. This brings us to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your family and friends and anyone you know that you think will help him or her. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell button because more will be coming. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button because more will be coming. Thank you.